In this video, I want to show you how to add Landsat 8 or Landsat 9 images to ENVI software using the MTL file, that is Geotif with the metadata. So let's get started. Make sure you have already downloaded your Landsat 8 or Landsat 9. Like in this example, I have my Landsat 8. Then double click to open and confirm the MTL file. So here is my MTL file. So I'm sure it's in the folder. So now let's go to the ENVI software. In ENVI software, to add the Landsat data using the Geotif with metadata, come to File, then come to Open As. So here you can see list of platform. So look for Landsat. Here is Landsat. Then click on Geotif with metadata. Then you will be prompted to navigate to the folder where you have the Landsat, and in my case here is the folder. So double click it to open it and you will find the MTL file here. If you can't find it here, make sure here you choose MTL file, so it will display here. Then click to select it and click on open. So in few seconds it will load it to ENVI software interface. And here we go. This is our image. So this is how to add Landsat image, either Landsat 9 or Landsat 8, using the Geotif with metadata. So thank you for watching.